Welcome to a whole new world, the digital classroom of Merryland Academy. A smart class like never before. Easy learning, happy children, happy families.
Listen to read English smarter. Read aloud. The long E sound. Phonic practice for you.
Sleep.
Peep.
Tree.
Jeep.
We are three. Clean. Eat. Read.
I see a bee.
I'm in the tree.
See my Jeep.
Let's eat a cake. Have a sweet. Can you read that?
Listen to learn English smarter.
Make things happen. Take inspired action.
Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow.